Hey guys, I'm starting this new series called 21 Days of Summer, and I would love if you painted along with me. Basically, for 21 days, every day starting today, I will be sharing a new video. All paintings are anywhere between 4 to 19 minutes long. So since it's summertime, I know it might be hard to find time to paint, but the idea of this is that these paintings have to be done under 20 minutes. So all you need is a 6x6 watercolor paper, few colors, couple brushes, and you're good to go. You can paint anywhere. When you do follow along and share your painting on social media, please use a tag 21 Days of Summer. And this way we can all find each other. And now I would like to share with you my path to the beach. This is where I get inspired and how this idea came alive just by strolling along the beach.